this video, we're going to learn how to print. So first, double-click PyCharm, click Create New Project. Here it's already highlighted, so press backspace. Let's name it Python Tutorials. Click Create. Just click Close. Here, this is it. But we need to make a new Python file. So click Python Tutorials, click File in the top left, click New, click Python file, then let's name it Print Tutorial. Click OK. And now, this is where we add the code. Let's type print parentheses, inside the parentheses, double quotes, inside the double quotes, let's type I am a programmer. Let's run it. How we run in our first time is click Run on the top, click Run here, click Print Tutorial. Then here it shows I am a programmer, but it looks exactly same like this. So it looks like we printed I am a programmer to the output. This is the output, this is the code. So in the end, type enter. Let's print another one. Type print, then parentheses, then double quotes, then let's type how are you? Question mark. Then let's rerun it. How we rerun is clicking this button on the left. I'm a programmer. How are you? We printed it in the output. Let's, in the end, press enter. Then let's print double quotes. Then inside the double quotes, let's type goodbye. Let's rerun it. I'm a programmer. How are you? Goodbye. And that is how to print in Python.